always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try to do a recipe that I've never done before, so it's going to be a first for me. So given that it's summer here in Australia, today it's 38 degrees, which is probably around, I don't know, 107 to 110 Fahrenheit. So given that it's summer here, I'm going to make a keto vanilla ice cream with some little fresh strawberries in between. So if you're interested to see how I can make this sugar-free ice cream, then please keep watching. Okay, for this recipe you're going to need thickened whipping cream, organic stevia, coconut milk, some strawberries and some vanilla. And of course you're going to need a blender or a mixer of some sort, and these are the only ingredients you're going to need. So into the mixing bowl I'm going to put 1 cup of this coconut milk, full fat, 1 cup of the thickened whipping cream, teaspoon of the vanilla, and 4 tablespoons of the stevia. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm just going to empty it into a container. So it's in the container. I'm now going to add the strawberries, just sprinkle them around randomly, like that. The keto ice cream. I'm putting a lid on it, and now I'm going to refrigerate this ice cream overnight. Keto vanilla strawberry ice cream. Let's do a taste test. It's creamy like regular ice cream. It tastes like regular ice cream. There's no aftertaste from the stevia, which is really great. There's flickerings of strawberry in the center and all around. Great texture, great flavor, low carb, good fat, and on days like this when it's really hot, a great pick-me-up, a great dessert, a great snack, whenever you feel the inclination to have some ice cream. So on that note everybody, if you enjoyed watching me make a very simple keto ice cream recipe with some strawberries in it, then please forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I've got to go now, and I'll check you in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye for now.